Welcome back. Today we'll be looking at this Kimaru power adapter for Canon cameras. Now, a little backstory. I have this old 600D, and I want to use it as a webcam, but the thing is, the batteries, well, they die pretty quickly. So what you want is a dummy battery. Now, this is my second dummy battery. The first one I got would power off the camera when I would turn on the webcam mode. I don't think it was giving enough power. It was built like garbage. It came with the wrong plug for my country. I'm in Australia. It came with the US plug. I bought it on Amazon Australia. The picture was wrong, and it felt really cheap. This one actually comes in a box, and hopefully it does the job. So, just gonna open it up. So far, so good. And okay, yeah, there we go. Just instructions, paper, lots of paper. Okay, I know what to do with this. So basically, you get this little thing here, and this is the dummy battery, and this is the power supply. This is a lot heavier than the other one. The other one felt so light, it wasn't even funny. It was bigger than this, but it felt even lighter. This is actually feels like it's made of something. And of course, an Australian plug, because I bought one for the Australian market. So I'm gonna go put this all together and put it into my camera, and we'll see if it actually does what it was supposed to do, unlike the other one. Also, just in case you don't fully understand what this thing's for, you put the little plug in here, right? And now this battery, this dummy battery, goes in to the camera. And you just kind of wire it through the little hole, and boom, dummy battery. Yep, it's all good. It's plugged in, it's powered on. The cable is not the longest, but it does a good job. If I need it to be longer, I might strap it to the tripod. But yeah, it seems to work fine. And there we have it. You can see the NVIDIA broadcast is removing the background, and it's coming from the Canon over USB. Pretty cool. So I can recommend this as a dummy battery. See you in the next one. Bye.